Morning. Yesterday I got a DHL shipment from the UK, and this has come from Ashcroft, and I believe this could be the kit for the R380. You know the one that was all seized up? Well, let's have a look in this box and see what it is, because we've not done an unboxing for a long time, so let's give it a go. With the sort of blade that's a bit sharper. There we go. So, get rid of that. Dave's done a good job on this. Right, let's have a look inside. Ooh. R380 Master Rebuild Kit. Now, what's in here? Now I've already got a set of shims. He sent that in a different order, so that's they won't be, the shims don't come in this kit, so just be wary if you're going to build one. The shim kits are worth it because buying the shims individually from Land Rover are expensive. So here we are. Isn't that fun? Look at that. What have we got here? Without wheel seal. Ah, just a box I've used for the bearings. So it's got all new needle rollers. That's them all in there. That's nice to have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearings. Just you wait. You can have your go in a minute. 7 bearings. We've got a new oil filter, a new ring to go on the back. That's nice. Ah, there's Dave trying to fatten me up. There's even a little packet of sweeties in there. Now, because of my sugar-free diet, I'll have to give them to somebody else. Nice synchro rings. These are, I don't know who makes these now, but they're a nicer finish than Britpart ones. I like these. These go together really well. And most importantly, a box of bits, or a bag of bits. So let's have a look in the bag of bits. We have oil seal for the back, oil seal for the front. This is an Angus, this is an Angus seal, and that is a Cotco seal. Quality parts. We've got a new nut, stalk nut for the lay shaft. We have here the gasket for the oil pump. Now, I've never even seen these gaskets advertised anywhere. I don't know if Dave's getting them sort of mixed, made up or what, but they're not on the website, so you can buy them individually. I think they're about £7.50 a piece from Ashcroft's. Not cheap. Split collars and a ring. Now, the reason why they supply this is because this is the newer type of ring. It used to have a little pin going the inside, so now all they do is to just supply them. So I think we've already got them, but they'll come in as good spares. There's the O-ring for the oil pump, and also some new screws for the oil pump. Now, if you've ever taken one out, you'll know that these bloody awful Torx are a bitch to get out, so they're handy to have. We've got an aluminium ring for the reverse switch, 2 little O-rings here, that's for your oil transfer on the side. Again, synchro rings, they're all the same, you can't mix them up. Sump plug and circlip. Now, I'm not going to really show you how to do the gearbox because we've done it time and time and time again. If you want to see how it goes, go to my homepage of this channel and just scroll down and you'll find dozens of videos on R380s. It's just getting a bit tedious doing the same things over and over again. But anyway, that's that unboxing. I think they're a great kit. Yes, they are expensive, the kits, but buying all these bearings individually can add up when you add in all the bits and pieces up, and it's convenient, so we don't have to mess about. Everything's there. So I hope you like that video. It was only a quick one, just a short one, just to show you what you get in your kit, and we'll see you later.